Front wigs, half wigs, full wigs, hairband wigs, whole wigs,
Hey guys, welcome back to Wigging Out with Ivy Evelle. Today I'm going to show you how to wash your wig. All you need is shampoo and conditioner, a comb and a brush, water bottle, and a large bowl. This wig, as you can see, is not only dirty, but very tangled. So we're going to start by detangling it completely. All you need is a spray bottle with some water in it, a hard bristle brush like a Denman brush, and a wide tooth comb. Remember to always start combing or brushing at the end of the hair. This minimizes shedding and breakage. It may take some time, but it's the best way to start so that you don't further match your wig and get optimum cleanliness. See, it looks better already. Now that it's all detangled, we're going to start washing it by running some warm water. Make sure it's not too hot because hot water can cause your hair to be dry or damaged. Fill the bowl to the point where you can submerge the wig under the water. It's a good idea to run water on your wig as well. This gets the initial dirt out. Today I'm using a Shea Moisture shampoo. I pour it into my hand and then apply it to my wig. If you choose, you can pour it directly on the wig, but I like to start working the shampoo into the wig right away. This helps me make sure that I get full coverage. Now do not, and I repeat, do not rub the shampoo in or agitate the hair. That will end up tangling your wig. Don't forget to add shampoo to the inside cap and headband if that applies. Our head sweats, so we have to wash all of the sweat and oils and products out of our cap as well. Now, what good is a clean wig if it has a dirty cap? I repeated the washing process until the water was clear after rinsing. This took about 4 washes. I just kept dumping the bowl so I wasn't putting the wig back into dirty water. After washing out the shampoo, I squeezed out as much water as I could before applying conditioner. You can use a towel to get enough water out so it's not dripping wet. Now it's time to apply conditioner. Again, I use Shea Moisture, but you can choose whatever conditioner you like. Conditioning your hair is very important, especially if it's human. I don't notice much of a difference if it's synthetic. I work the conditioner through the wig just like I did with the shampoo. I usually comb it through and then let it sit for about 10 minutes or so. Then I wash it out thoroughly. If I'm being really honest, most of the time I forget and it may sit for a day. You just want to make sure you don't feel any residue while you're rinsing it. Also, keep any hooks or closures inside the wig cap so they don't get tangled in the hair. When you're done, squeeze the water out as best you can. You can use a dry towel. It really helps. No need to use a blow dryer. Just lay it flat to dry, or you can hang it on a wig stand to dry. Here's the amount of shedding I got from detangling it. That's not bad. Now that it's clean and tangle free, I should be able to brush right through it. Be careful when brushing your wig. The
teeth can get caught on the cap or track. And there you have it. If you want to see this beauty after it dried, keep an eye out for my next video on headband wigs. It's a unique wig and boy is she nice. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for wigging out with me. Bye.